Today I'm going review air conditioning but Akira OM. This remote is aftermarket. Like it at a bit something. Okay, this is temperature is 21. Pick it auto with fan speed. This is a mode. But we can use the swing. This swing is the no working. No working is broken. Actually, a knot with swing is just really not good. K 116A about this have remote air conditioning. Turn the lights. Okay, so that's it. I hope you enjoying quick video, but is air conditioning Akira. QM. Thanks for watching and see you soon.